One of my biggest pet peeves is the price of clinical grade skincare. So when I found out that ClearLucent's Travel Duo set was less than $50, I was shocked that this was not already a viral product. The kit even came with this cute 2-in-1 cleansing brush, and oh my god, y'all, the soft bristle side is bomb. This works in combination with the exfoliating cleanser that has glycolic, salicylic, and lactic acids in it. This is going to unclog, shed, and dislodge sebum from your pores, which also is going to help with brightening, softening, and rejuvenating your skin barrier function. This little mini bottle of serum is honestly the cherry on top for me. It's their collagen boosting vitamin C serum. It also has vitamin E in it as well as ferulic acid. What this is going to do is stimulate the collagen production in your skin as well as combat free radicals. At the same time, it's going to brighten any hyperpigmentation or age spots that you might have. Whether you need on-the-go TSA approved sizes or want to start clinical grade skincare, add this kit to cart.